this is Carla from DIY Happy Home, and I'm outside. It's a gorgeous day here in Pennsylvania today, and I am here by our Traeger wood pellet grill. This is an electric. There is, and I'll just do a quick tutorial here if you're not familiar. There are wood pellets inside here, and it runs by electricity. And I have this at high heat, and I'm doing some yummy sweet potatoes today. I have scrubbed my potatoes very, very well. I punctured 4 knife holes in each one to allow the steam to escape, and I added olive oil to each one and some French sea salt and a little bit of flaxseed oil because I ran out of the olive oil. And I'm putting them on the Traeger for about an hour or until they're soft. This is going to caramelize them and make them super, super tasty. I'll be back to show you. Okay, it's been over an hour. Oh my gosh, look at all the caramelization. But these are really soft and tender. Oh my gosh. Okay, these are definitely ready to come out. I just wanted to show you guys how tender inside. And these are pure flavor. These sweet potatoes. You can remove the skin. You can add the cinnamon maple butter that I'm going to make, but I would just eat this as is with some salt and pepper, maybe a little bit of butter if you want. I'm going to just give this a try. See? My gosh, they need nothing. They need nothing. They're sweet, delicious potatoes. About an hour, a little bit. I did a little longer than an hour, to be honest, because I was busy doing other things on the Traeger. You could just peel the skins off with your own hands. Much better than boiling a sweet potato because it condenses all those flavors and all the sugars of that potato. I highly recommend this, guys. Oh, give this a try. All right, I'm going to eat this now. Gotta go. Bye.